Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about bringing bold, natural beauty to your hair. This 30-inch, 13 by 6 deep wave lace front wig made from 100% human hair. If you've been on the lookout for a wig that combines versatility with a luxurious natural look, keep watching to see if this one is the right fit for you. Let's start with an overview of the wig itself. This lace front is made from 12A grade Brazilian virgin human hair, known for its soft texture and vibrant, healthy appearance. The wig promises no shedding, no tangling, and no unpleasant odors, which is always a plus. It's 30 inches long and features a deep wave pattern, which adds body and dimension to your hair. The 13 by 6 HD lace gives you a deep parting space, so you have the flexibility to create both a middle part or a side part, giving you the ability to style your hair in a way that suits your look best. As for the cap, it comes with a 13 by 6 HD transparent lace, which is breathable and durable. The medium cap size should fit most heads comfortably, with an adjustable strap, elastic band, and combs to ensure a secure and snug fit. One thing that stands out here is how easy it is to adjust the wig for a customized fit, something that often gets overlooked with many wigs on the market. Now, let's get into real-world testing. I wore this wig for a few days to see how it held up in daily wear. First off, the texture is lovely. It's silky but with enough wave to feel natural. The 180% density gives it fullness without being too bulky, so it's not going to overwhelm your face. I found that it's easy to style and hold curls, which is great if you want to experiment with different looks. The HD lace blends in well, making the hairline look seamless, especially when styled properly with some baby hairs. However, it's important to note a few things. While the wig is gorgeous, the pre-plucked lace does require some attention. If you're not comfortable with customizing your hairline or making minor adjustments to the wig, you might want to consult a professional stylist for the best results. Also, since it's virgin hair, you have the freedom to straighten, curl, or even dye it. But make sure you're doing that with caution and at a salon, as overprocessing can lead to damage. So, what are the pros and cons of this deep wave lace front wig? The pros include its natural texture, the versatility of styling, and the deep wave pattern that provides a lot of movement and shine. The adjustable cap size and the breathable lace also make it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Plus, the fact that it's made from 12A grade Brazilian virgin human hair means it's durable and can be styled just like your own natural hair. On the flip side, the cons are relatively minor but worth mentioning. The pre-plucked hairline might need a bit of extra work if you're particular about how your wig fits. Also, while the wig is labeled as no shedding and no tangling, you'll need to maintain it regularly. Human hair can get unruly if not properly cared for. Another thing to consider is the price point. It's an investment, so it's not exactly the most budget-friendly option. But if you're looking for quality, you're likely to find it here. When it comes to value for money, this wig certainly offers good quality considering its human hair material, 180% density, and deep wave pattern. If you compare it to other high-end lace front wigs, you're getting a solid blend of quality and performance. But it does come at a higher price than synthetic options. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are plenty of synthetic lace front wigs that mimic this look, though they may not hold up as well over time, and styling options may be limited. However, for something that truly mimics the look and feel of natural hair, this human hair wig offers more than a synthetic option could provide. As for build quality, the wig feels sturdy, with well-constructed lace that doesn't irritate the scalp. The density is rich, and the hair doesn't feel too thin or overly thick, giving it a nice balance. As mentioned, maintenance is key to preserving the longevity of the wig, so make sure to regularly condition and detangle it to keep it looking fresh. Now, when it comes to customer support, the brand offers professional after-sales services. So if you run into any issues or have questions, there's a team available to help. This gives some peace of mind when investing in a product like this. To wrap things up, my final verdict on the 30-inch 13 by 6 deep wave lace front wig is that it's a high-quality option for anyone looking for a natural, versatile wig that can be styled in various ways. It has a gorgeous wave pattern, excellent density, and fits comfortably, but it does require regular maintenance and some customization to get the perfect fit. If you're willing to put in that effort and invest in quality, this wig could be a great addition to your collection. Mid-review, is this review useful to you? If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other wig enthusiasts can find this review and make informed decisions too. Thanks for joining me today. You can find the link to grab this wig in the comments box below. If you already own this wig, feel free to drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay fabulous and remember, beauty starts with Beautyistic.